Alright, hey everyone, we got this jcpenney thing now. I got this from JJ a while ago. It's in pretty rough shape. It didn't have shades. The blades are really badly out of clock. And it's just scratched up, as you can see. But, I will say the blades on it are really cool. I have 25 watt bulbs in it. And these shades that were from a different fan. Go to low. I'd say it's like, I feel like it's even smaller than 42 inches. I feel like it's more like 36 inches. It's a pretty small fan. Oh, my bad. It's low. Go to medium. As you can see, there's those crazy out of clock blades. You'll notice more on high. Yeah, it has a wobble. It does actually move some air though. Not very much of it though. I think it's just because the blades are out of clock. And high. It does tick against the stage, obviously. You can see the blades are all messed up. They were way worse when I got it. I did my best to fix it though. I guess it was decent air for what it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.